Hello guys, I would like to present my small project, and this project is about weird stories. My project is a social media. I'm building a social media platform, a platform that will enable people to connect, share, and interact freely. These are like normal social media that we have interacted with. In this project, I decided to present my login and create page because this project will teach you how to connect front-end, back-end, and database. And for now, I have connected the front-end with back-end, then back-end with database. So I'd like to show you how is it working. So when I click here on the create account, when I try to log in here, I say my name like Mike. I have that name. Then I say my username, I say Mike001. Then I can say my email, that one. Then I can say password, any password that I want. Let me say text. Then I can say this one, another text. For now, I have not implemented the authentication authorization, but that is where I'm going next. So when I click sign up, I think the project is not sending the data, so I have to open it. The project, I have to open the project. There you go. Let me show you guys what I'm doing. Then I can say not typing. Then you use the normal terminal for PowerShell. It is taking me. You can say code. I open the Visual Studio Code like that. And after opening the Visual Studio Code, you can see we have this is the project. So let me open my terminal. That is the terminal. I click terminal. Then I want to open two. To run both backend and frontend. So I have to do like this. I need to open this one. And so I have shown it a lot. Make it smaller like that. So this one is for the backend. I can say ls. Let me check the directories. CD server. Then I come here and I check the directories. We have client. CD client like that. Then I can say npm start. Yes, it is running. Let me check something before npm. I have to clear npm run dev. So for you to come up with this project, the prerequisite is that you have to be you have to install Node in your laptop. You have to be familiar with React, Node.js. Yeah, I have to run this one as well. npm run dev. Okay, I have to check if I am in the right directory. Else, no. So I have to cd then I can now cd and yeah, okay, it is opening. So when I open this when I cancel all of these and I open this one, and you can see the project is here. So when I click on the create account, so I need to create account. I can say my name, Mike, then 001. Email I can use this one. Then I can say password is text. Then you can say if you need text. Then when I click on this part, I expect data to show on the backend side. So when I select that, you see welcome to dashboard. So this data is being registered here. Yeah, so you can see that I have received data that shows Mike 001, Mike, my email, password text, confirm password. So that means the backend and the front end is well connected. And before we continue, I would like to show you even the Postman, how the Postman is, how I used to test my APIs. I used Postman. We'll have to open Postman. This is Postman, it is opening. Yeah, so let me minimize this window and make everything to fit on the screen. Like that. So the Postman, I used it to test my route, the endpoint, and the first endpoint was this one. I have the route, register route, and minimize this one. So this is a route, the route get and post. So the route that says that post create account, the controllers for this route in here. So I'm getting these route, then I pass it to the controllers. So the controllers are the ones that are posting data to my Postgres. So I would like to make this one bigger so that you can see. So I have to accept which data here: name, username, email, password, and confirm password. This one should confirm password. Then I pass here. I have okay. I think I should not accept this one, but it should be there for authentication. It should be confirm password. Let me make like that. Come in kissing. Confirm password. So that you can say if password is not equal to this password, we pass error. So that one is for later, the authentication. I'll have to check the email. If this email is registered in the database, I can tell the user this email already exists. So I have caused new user. This is sync await function. So I have to send the data this.json new user. So I can remove this one to show you how the Postman receives this data without this one, like that. And when I come here, I try to save the data. I have to open the body, body, and then JSON, yeah, like that. So that means that we have to set our data like this: name, you can see name, username, email, password, and confirm password. So like I can change this one, my username I can say, I can remove this one, let's say Mike 002. Then username I can say Mike full stack. Then I can say the email is okay, because there is a uniqueness in the email. I can say Mike 306 as well. Password can remain the same, and the confirm password. So when I click, I have to check this one should be post, because my route, yeah, it is post route. You can see this one is for the post. So when I click send data, let me open my terminal so that you can see what will happen here. So when I click here send data, like this, so this data is being sent this one. So the data is being received here. So that okay. You can make this one to make poster. Okay. So the part that I was telling you, let me remove it so that you can see how the data is being received. Let me go to the controller. Then you come here and say dot rows. I target the first element in array. So that means when I create another data or another user here, like Mike 003, then I change this email to 303. Okay, and it's okay. So when I click on this, I expect data similar to this here, because now I have saved JSON new user rows. Then I target, you can see, I can try to show you rows count 1. So rows ID. When I click here, I expect data now to be clear so that I can read whatever is being posted here. So when I open this one as well, I can see Michael 003 and Michael 003 on my Postman. So that means this endpoint is okay, it is working. So it's now the time to check the database. So when I open my command prompt like this, this is my command prompt, and I like to make it bigger. So there's a two way to connect to. Okay, let me make it. Let me minimize the Postman. Let me put it here. Let me make it bigger. Bigger. So to open the database, I have to okay, the name of, okay, I'll not show you guys how to create a database. It's just a simple way to do it, but if you want me to do it, I can do it. So this PSQL, that means that I'm using Postgres. The name of my database is weird. Then I check the username. That one is a username. Then not the user, but the user that I have created. Then the database that I want is the database that I created. The name was I remember the name. Let me check. It was Weird Stories, I think. Yeah, and the password was you have to remember the password that you used. So this one goes to yeah, it is opening. So I'm right to my database, and I can see let me text select should be select all users from users. So my table is users, the name that the table that I created, and all database should end up with a column. So you can see that my database now is running here. So that means this data here is being sent to my database. You can see my full stack, my field, all the data that we have created. So that means when I open my Postgres, I have to see similar data. So let me open my Postgres pgadmin. Okay. So before the database opens, I'd like to show you the code that is helping us to send the data. So this is a code here that import pull from database.js. So you go to the database.js, it is here. So this database.js, we have to config where I have put my environment, the DB user password that I'm using, host is localhost, the port number 5432, the name of the database. Now it is just simple way to connect this one. So I import my pool here to these controllers. So these controllers is import pool from database JS. Then I use this pool to constitute new user await. Then I query insert to this is the name of my table, insert to. Then after inserting to, I insert these values, that is name, username, email, password. Then I pass values $1, $2. So I don't remember why the dollars, but I remember the time that I was doing this, they used this one. Yeah, that is open. I'd like to show you guys. Okay, let me make it bigger. So when you come to my database, you can see you have Postgres and weird stories. So this is the name of my database. When I open the database query here, and I say, okay, it is opening. Then I say select all from users. Now it should be spelled where select, not okay. Select. Then I do semicolon. Then I run this command. So you can see the same data that is here is the same data that I showed you in my command prompt. So we have this one, my username, the email, and this and that. So when you try to create a username with this email, the system will tell you that this email exists. So there is a uniqueness I have implemented there. When I was creating the database, I said that email should be unique, and you can try to do that so that you can see. Like I can try to use this email to create someone like that. And I think I'll have to say data using now the Postgres. Is single line. this prompt, you can see that into username, syntax Mike. Okay, this password values. Let me check the problem. User check my maybe there should be a comma here. Oh, I'm missing commas in between these ones. So there are comma, yeah. When I try to run this command, it's okay to mix commas. When I try to run this command like that, so you can see that our mic does not exist in such. Change this email to something else. Okay, that means this data exists. Let me try to do another email. Use content continue. We don't have the username, so you can say Mike 002. Oh my god, okay. Then you can try to pass it again. Listen to my expression and the target. So my in here should be comma username. Can check again. There you go. So that means this data has been created. So let us check. Select or from users. Then I run this command. Then I come here, we see Mike 002. The password, okay, the password does not, I have not touched the password, but I have to do that. When it comes to authentication, I have to do that. Then when I come here as well and do like this, you see this data is still here. And that means when I open my app where the frontend is, then I go back to create account. Then I see Elon Musk, username is Elon, email is Elon at Gmail, password is Elon, confirm is Elon. So when I click sign up, so you can see these are login page, create page direct me to the welcome to dashboard. Okay. Okay, when I authenticate the application, there is this route you can bypass it now, but after doing the authentication and authorization, you can't do that. When you try to bypass the route, it will be taking you back to the home page so that you can log in. And so when I come back to my terminal, I can see Elon Musk, Elon, and Elon. So when I try to check if this user has been registered to my database, like this, you can see Elon Musk, Elon. So when I go to the Postgres, the same will have to be registered. Okay, so you can check here Elon. So that means the backend is well connected to the database. Okay, and so I would like to take you through the code that okay, at the other route I have not implemented. The other route, update, delete the user, update the account. I'll have to do that. This is for the backend only, and I know you guys, you know how to write routes, controllers. I'll not go back into details into that. Then I'll have to close this one and open the frontend. So when I open my frontend, we have a component, but I'll have in these pages we have a form data. So my form, I am using useState hook. So my form data is setting these parameters: name, username, email, password, and confirm password. So this is the function that is sending the data and submit. So I have to pass this form on submit. There's so many ways to submit the data, but my best way to do it, I like doing it like this. Then this one is the HTTP localhost that our service is running on. You can check here 500. This is 500. So I am targeting users. This route is targeting users, then register users. So the next route I'll have to target users and login. Okay. The next is users, update, users, delete. So you can delete your account, you can update your account. And when you feed the data to the form data, I pass this form data here. So and to submit helps this endpoint to submit this data to this endpoint accept form data, which is being entered into the register form. So the console, the navigate dashboard, this component or this page, that means if this data is entered correctly, so our system will have to navigate it to this dashboard. So the same will have to happen with the login. So I'll have to check if this user exists with this email, the password is okay, so the user should be navigated to dashboard. Otherwise, we have to catch the error. So I'll have to use this state to tell you that registration has failed. Any other error, I'll have to push the errors into a single array, array, then I'll have to display them using the usage. And being able to present to you this small project. If you want the source code, I can help you with the source code. Thank you.